Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 67 Oneida Road in Canandaigua.
This is a spectacular designer showcase newer townhome.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is phenomenal one-floor open living with a designer's flair, perfect for entertaining. Featuring a great room with a white and bright quartz kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, soft close drawers, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Open to the spacious dining area with recessed lighting, and living area with great natural light and access to the screened-in deck. All with soaring 9-foot ceilings and beautiful maintenance-free flooring, plus an adjacent powder room and laundry. Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living with a spectacular first-floor primary suite, with a recessed ceiling with crown molding, a luxurious bathroom with a double vanity and a walk-in closet, perfect for relaxing. The upstairs features 2 charming bedrooms with great closet space, plus an office too. And a full bathroom, perfect for family and friends. While the lower level features another full bathroom, egress window, and pour foundation walls, perfect for storage or expandability by making it your own space.
The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details. This premium lot featuring this N-unit townhouse is perfect with no outside maintenance.
Enjoy the fresh air and barbecuing with a charming screened-in deck with access to the patio overlooking the green space.
This townhome is in a community of fine homes and walkable to everything Canandaigua and Canandaigua Lake has to offer. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 67 Oneida Road in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!